baby.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Aditi Mandal.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Who is the father of nation?
Nation Mahatma Gandhi.
Who is the president of India?
President Pranab Mukherjee.
Who is the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
What is the capital of our India?
India capital New Delhi.
What is the financial capital of India?
Capital from
What is the financial capital of India?
Mumbai.
What is the national language?
Hindi.
What is the national animal?
Tiger.
Who is our national bird?
Peacock.
Who is our national flower?
Lotus.
Who is our national tree?
Banana tea.
Who is our national fruit?
Fruit. Mango.
Who is our national sport?
What? Hockey.
Who is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Who wrote Vande Mataram?
Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
What is our national anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
Who wrote Jana Gana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
What is our national emblem?
Ashok Duck.
Who made Ashok Stamp?
Kame Joyte.
Who made Ashok Stamp?
Kame Joyte. Emperor Ashoka.
What is written on Ashok Stamp?
Kame Joyte.
Can you ask you capital in our state?
H.
How many states?
29.
How many Indian territories?
7.
Andhra Pradesh?
H.
Andhra Pradesh?
Vijayawada.
Arunachal Pradesh? Assam? Bihar?
Patna.
Chhattisgarh?
Raju.
Goa?
Panaji.
Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Haryana?
Chandigarh.
Himachal Pradesh?
Shimla.
Jammu Kashmir?
Srinagar.
Jharkhand?
Hatti.
Karnataka?
Karnataka.
Kerala?
Vijayanagara.
Madhya Pradesh?
Mumbai.
Manipur?
Mumbai.
Maharashtra?
Meghalaya.
Maharashtra?
Mumbai.
Meghalaya?
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya?
Shillong.
Mizoram?
Ayur.
Nagaland?
Kohima.
Odisha?
Odisha.
Punjab?
Chandigarh.
Rajasthan? 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 Jaipur?
Jaipur.
Sikkim?
Gangtok.
Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Telangana?
Hyderabad.
Tripura?
Agartala.
Uttar Pradesh?
Lucknow.
Uttarakhand?
Dehradun.
Paschim Bang?
Kolkata.
Very good. I love.